So the Middlesex Canal flows into the Charles River here, connecting the Merrimack River with the Charles. 30 miles long, couple of aqueducts, 8 locks, that brings the commerce of the Merrimack River Valley into Boston. This canal that was begun in 1793 and finished in the first decade of the 19th century makes Boston the commercial center of industrial New England, bringing all of the goods going up to be part of the Industrial Revolution in the Merrimack Valley come through Boston, and all of the goods going out coming by way of the canal into Boston. Canals were really a phenomenon in the early 19th century. All across the country, investors are building canals. Probably the most famous is the Erie Canal, that's going to make Boston decline in its importance as a port. All across the country, states and private investors are building canals to be part of this industrial transformation. But of course, after the 1830s, the canals are being put out of business by the railroad. The railroads become the economic force driving the national economy, and a lot of investments in railroad begin here in Boston. And then ultimately, in the 20th century, the railroads are going to be put out of business by the automobile. So we see this intersection of these 3 different kinds of transit and commercial transportation right here, where the Middlesex Canal flows still into the Charles River.